Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your headphones JLAB GOWORK. The first one is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. And now, at the bottom of your right ear cup, between power button, not between, near to the LED light, we have USB-C port. Connect USB-C cable right at this port. Now, the most important is this LED light, meaning that your headphones are charging. So we have. Okay, the second option is to use USB-C to USB-C cable, what look like this. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone, and the second one to your headphones. And again, we need to check the LED light. We have it, so it also works. The third option is to use USB-A to USB-C cable, and you can charge your headphones from, let's say, your PC. So it looks like this. Connect USB-C cable to USB-C port on your headphones, and a USB-A cable I am going to connect to my PC, but you can connect to another device with USB-A port. Okay, I just did it, and now let's check the LED light. We also have it, so it's also charging your headphones. And that's it. These headphones doesn't support wireless charging, so we cannot use wireless charging station or reverse wireless charging from your phone, even if your phone supports this technology. So, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!